Hey there, future GRE conquerors. Today I want to dive into a word that could make all the difference on test day Demur. Sounds fancy, right? Well, it's actually pretty straightforward once you break it down. So, what does Demur mean? It's a verb that means to raise doubts or show reluctance. Think of it as politely disagreeing or hesitating to accept something. For example, if your friend suggests an all-night study session and you hesitate, you might say, I demur. Understanding words like demur is crucial for the GRE. Why? Because the GRE tests not just your knowledge but your ability to understand and use sophisticated vocabulary in context. Knowing these words can give you an edge in verbal reasoning and critical reading sections. Now let's see demur in action with 3 quick examples. Example 1. In a debate, if one speaker presents an argument and another speaker says, I demur, that second speaker is politely disagreeing. Example 2. Imagine you're in a meeting and someone proposes a risky business plan. You might say, I demur to express your reservations without outright rejecting the idea. Example 3. In literature, a character might demur when faced with a moral dilemma, showing their hesitation or doubt about the right course of action. See how versatile demur is? So, add demur to your study list. And remember, every word you master brings you one step closer to GRE success. Alright, that's it for today. Hit that like button if you found this helpful and make sure to subscribe for more GRE tips. Keep studying and stay awesome. Catch you in the next video.